Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable picture-in-picture mode in iPhone in iOS 16 and iOS 17. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. Before using the PIP mode, we have to make sure that iPhone is charged up to 80%. After that, we have to launch settings, scroll, find and tap on battery and disable low power mode. After that, we have to go back to settings and tap on journal, and under journal, check software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. After that, settings and journal and tap picture in picture. Here we have to enable start PIP automatically. If already enable, then disable, wait for few seconds and enable this option. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.